Welcome back to the channel that simplifies the stock market. Now this video is going to be simple. I'm just going to show you how you can open up your own brokerage account with E-Trade so you too can start buying companies within the stock market. Now E-Trade is my platform of choice. I like it for its security and its user-friendly interface. The main reason why I pick it over a platform like Robinhood is simply because I don't want to wake up one morning and my money is missing from my account. Yikes. Now what you're going to need is to get to E-Trade in the first place. So grab this link. I'll put it down in the description also so you can just tap it or copy it and paste it. If you're on your laptop, go ahead and copy the link, open a new tab and paste it there so you can follow along. If you're watching this video and following along, make sure you be mindful of the pause symbol that'll pop up in the top right hand corner and look something like this. It'll let you know when you can pause the video so you can fill out the information before continuing on. All right, now once you click the link in the description, this will be the first page or the pop-up that you will see saying that someone you know thought you might like the benefits of an E-Trade brokerage account. That's me. I'm someone you know. And then if you scroll down a bit, you can see how much E-Trade will give you depending on how much you deposit into your account. If it's $5,000 to $9,999, they'll give you $50, so on and so forth. It's not a lot. It amounts to about 50 is 1% of 5,000, but I mean, it's something. And then scroll down and you just go ahead and select Get Started. Now, this will be the first page that you see once you select Get Started, and you'll see the different selections for your brokerage account. So you can select individual, joint, or custodial. If you're watching this video, likely the individual will pertain to you, but for each one of these, you can just click through and see a quick description to see which category you actually fit under. But for this walkthrough, I'm going to be looking at individual. And then once you have that selected, go ahead and select continue. Now for this page, you're just going to be putting in your information. Are you an existing E-Trade customer? No. And then I'm just going to put in some fake information. Then once you have this all the way filled out, go ahead and select continue. Now this next page is going to be a little bit more personal information, your date of birth, social security. For this walkthrough, I'm going to put in fake information for all of these, but I would advise you to put in your real information for your real account that you're going to be buying stock with, because once you buy stock, you'll actually have taxes and other things actually associated with your account. So keep it truthful, keep it honest. And then down here, if you're watching this video, chances are none of these will actually apply to you. So go ahead and not select them and just click continue. Now this next page is kind of like a survey. So it's just asking about your investment experience, so on and so forth. So let's just look at each one. So what is your investment experience? If you have none, go ahead and select none. It's not going to ding you or dock you if you don't have excellent experience. What is this account's investment objective? Really, we want growth and income, but let's just say growth. Where will assets to fund this account come from? Whichever one pertains to you, go ahead and select that. I'm going to select this one right here, investments, capital gains. What is the purpose and expected use of this account? I'm going to select long-term investment with occasional transfers. What is your options investment knowledge? Again, if you have none, go ahead and select none. They're not going to ding you or dock you if you don't have that. Indicate your prior options trading experience. If you don't have any, just say no, none. And then if you have none for these, go ahead and just leave them the way they are and then select continue. Now this next page, they're asking you, what do you want to do with your uninvested cash? So say you open up your account and you put $5,000 in it and you spend $4,000 to purchase stocks and you have $1,000 of cash left over that you haven't invested. They will actually, with one of these accounts, the financial extended insurance sweep and the cash balance program, they will actually take your uninvested cash and put them in an account that you can actually earn interest on. It won't be a lot of interest, so don't get too excited, but this is the one that I have selected, this one right here, in my actual account. And then moving on, you can select margin trading or any of these options. I wouldn't advise this for beginners, add margin trading. And then if you want a power of attorney, you can click yes. Add a trusted contact person, you can click yes, but I'm gonna leave these blank. And down here, you can actually get a free debit card or checkbook if you deposit at least $1,000. They were free. And then after this, you have everything selected or not selected, click continue. And then once you've selected continue, this will be the page that you see next, to review your application. All this information is fake, so I mean, you can call this number if you want, but I'm sorry if this is actually someone's number. But yeah, scroll on down and then select continue. And then again, you'll get another page, review your application, and then just submit application. And then for right here, you can create your user ID and password. And then once you have this entered in, go ahead and select continue. And then with this page, it's probably looking like this for me because I put in fake information. So if yours actually gives you the option to go ahead and fund your account, then go ahead and fund your account if you feel comfortable with it. But if you're not ready to fund your account just yet, or you just don't feel comfortable with the process, then I actually will make a video later on showing the process of funding your account. So you can go ahead and skip that for now, and then it should be sealed away for your account. But if your page is looking like this as well, then go ahead and select Message Center Inbox. And then go ahead and put the user ID and password that you created right here. And then from there, it's going to bring you to this thing, this page, and you just click continue. The acknowledge agreement page. Likely, if you're watching this video, none of these will pertain to you. So you can read through them, and if they do, then click yes, but I'm going to click no for all of these. Scroll down, select I agree, and submit. Then go to etrade.com. And there you have it. Right now, you can set up your security questions, but I'm going to exit out of that for right now because this is a fake account. But there you have it. You have your E-Trade account, your brokerage account is open. And in the next videos, I'm going to go over how you actually can fund your account if you didn't get to do it back in the created account stage. And I'm also going to go over how to actually buy stock and sell stock in further videos. Congratulations. You got a brokerage account with E-Trade.